Welcome students. Today I am going to tell you some important question asked in the examination in 2 marks. I hope this video will be beneficial for the student appearing in the examination this year. Question 1. Name 2 OOPS principles. The basic principles of OOPS are objects, class, data abstraction, encapsulation, data hiding, inheritance polymorphism, and dynamic binding. Write any two of the following. Question 2. What is an object? An object is an identifiable entity which contains data and functions, characteristic and behavior together in an object-oriented programming language. Question 3. What is class? The class is a set of similar objects. Each object of a class possesses same attribute and common behavior defined within the same class. Question 4. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism is the process of using a function for more than one purpose. It allows the use of different internal structure of the object by keeping the same external interface. Question 5. Name two OOPS languages. Java and C++ are object-oriented programming languages. Question 6. Give an example to create an object. Syntax to create an object is class name space object variable is equal to new space class name parenthesis then semicolon. Example Rambo space violet is equal to new Rambo parenthesis semicolon, where Rambo is a class name, violet is the object variable, new is a keyword which is used to create an object, then Rambo is a class name with parenthesis, उसके बाद semicolon. Question 7. Name two packages used in Java. Java.io, Java.lang, Java.util are the packages which can be used in Java programming language. Question 8. What is bytecode? Bytecode is the end product of the compiler which converts source code to bytecode. Java interpreter further convert bytecode to machine code. Question 9. What is JVM? JVM is Java Virtual Machine. It is also called Java interpreter. It converts bytecode to machine code. Question 10. Name a package with Java language used by default. Java.lang is the package used in Java by default. Question 11. Name a keyword applied to include a package. Import is the keyword to include a package in a Java program. Question 12. What is keyword? Keyword is the reserved word which is preserved in Java system. Question 13. Name comment used in Java. There are three types of comments used in Java. Number 1. Single line comment represented by double forward slash. Number 2. Multi-line comment represented by forward slash asterisk close with asterisk forward slash. Number 3. Documenting comment forward slash double asterisk close with asterisk forward slash. Question 14. What is source code? A program written in high level language is known as source code. Question 15. What are the type of programming in Java? There are two types of programming in Java. Number one, Java applications. Number two, Java applets. Question 16. What do you mean by Java applets? An applet is a Java program that can be embedded into a web page. It runs inside the web browser and works at client side. Question 17. How to declare a variable? Syntax: to declare a variable, data type, space, then variable name. Example: int x is equal to 10. Int is a data type, x is a variable, 10 is a value assigned to the variable. Float pi is equal to 3.14. Float is a data type, pi is a variable name, 3.14 is a value which is assigned to pi. Question 18. What do you mean by the Boolean data type? Boolean data represents true or false. It also termed as figurative constant. Boolean default value is false. Question 19. What do you mean by mixed expression? An expression which includes different types of variables or values to yield a result is known as mixed expression. Example: int a, float b, double d. Double x is equal to a plus b multiplied by d. Question 20. What do you mean by library package? A package is a collection of classes. Example: java.io, java.lang, java.util, etc. Question 21. Arrange the following type according to the ascending order of usage: long, double, char, float, and int. Hierarchy of a data type is as follows: char, int, long, float, and double. डेटा स्ट्रक्चर जिसको हमने असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया है, आइए उसको देखते हैं. डेटा टाइप और उसका साइज. बाइट 8 बिट 1 बाइट, कैर 16 बिट 2 बाइट, शॉर्ट 16 बिट 2 बाइट, इंट 32 बिट्स 4 बाइट्स, लॉन्ग 64 बिट्स 8 bytes, float 32 bits 4 bytes, double 64 bits 8 bytes. Question 22. Mention different types of tokens used in Java programming. The tokens is the smallest unit of a program. The tokens are classified as follows. Number 1, literal. Literal means constant. Number 2, identifiers. Identifiers or variable. Number 3, assignment, represented by assignment operator. 4th, operator. Operators are plus, minus, multiply, divide, greater than, less than, not equal to, or, and. Number 5, punctuator. Punctuators are question mark, colon, and dot. Number 6, separator. Separator are the brackets, parentheses, curly braces, and square bracket. Question 23. What is exception? An expected situation which occurs due to improper use of input resources during execution of the program is called exception. Question 24. What is exception handling? The process of eliminating unexpected situations, input/output errors during the exceptions of a program is known as exception handling. Question 25. Name the keyword which is essentially needed to manage exception handling. How will you use throws keyword with function signatures to manage exception handling? Throws keyword is used to manage the exception handling. Public void get data parenthesis throws IO exception or public static void main parenthesis throws IO exception. So that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. We will meet in the next part of this video with some more important questions. Till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.